Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices. Make sure both have at least 20% charge and sit within 3 meters. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone or computer and immediately put the accessory into pairing or discoverable mode. If you see no device list, toggle Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. This often clears transient states. Also make sure to disable nearby Wi-Fi hotspots or other radios temporarily, because interference can block discovery. Next, you remove stale pairings. Forget the device on both ends and reboot each gadget. Then update. Install the latest OS updates and Bluetooth drivers on computers and check accessory firmware via its app. These updates fix compatibility and security bugs. If pairing still fails, inspect Bluetooth adapter settings. Confirm the adapter is enabled and supports the needed profile, like Audio A2DP or Hands-Free HFP. Make sure device names are visible and not. Finally, you perform recovery steps. Reset the Bluetooth module by toggling the adapter or using the operating system's network reset. On phones, use Reset Network Settings. Then test pairing with a different phone or computer to identify whether the accessory or host is at fault. If the accessory remains unreachable, use its factory reset procedure, then attempt pairing again from scratch. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent audio or drops persist, check for competing devices and disable them. Interference is the most common lingering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.